Is Rainbow Six Siege down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. I know that many of you have problems with Rainbow Six Siege right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. I already went on Twitter and searched for Rainbow Six Siege. As you can see, 20 minutes ago they already tweeted with, "We're aware of the issue affecting connectivity and we are all working towards resolving this ASAP." If you go back and then if you search for Rainbow Six Siege and then if you go to latest tweets, you will see that many people are commenting with problems with Rainbow Six Siege right now. So you don't have to worry about it because they will fix this as soon as possible. Ubisoft support already says we're currently looking into issues regarding connectivity with Rainbow Six Siege. So if you do have issues with Rainbow Six Siege right now, you can comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts. What specific problem do you have, and I will make sure to answer to them and help you out. Don't have to worry. This problem, it's not just from you, it's for everyone, so you don't have to worry about it because they will fix this as soon as possible. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more updates and for some more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.